Today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, you read the title right. Bitcoin will break on Friday. Why am I so sure about that? I will talk about that. I will talk about my price targets, how I am planning this situation right now, whether I am expecting a break towards the upside to a very specific price target or a break towards the downside. Guys, if you ever wanted to know what is going to happen to Bitcoin in the next few days, this video is made for you. This is something I can tell you. Make sure you are getting ready. You're watching this video until the very end. And actually, I wanted to take a day off today, make a video tomorrow, because usually I make like 1, 2, 3 videos a day. But when I saw this, we are so close to the apex, I knew I have to make the video right now for you to get ready. So make sure you are smashing the like button to a new all-time high. Now, let's get straight into the content. Just very, very quickly, before we are starting, guys, I wanted to thank you all because of your engagement. Every like, every comment, every share, it really counts. Every single one of you counts. And it makes a big difference. You are the reason why our channel is blowing up like crazy. We just broke 500,000 subscribers here on YouTube, and also we are getting like the craziest engagement rate, and this is because of you. You are a force for good. Thank you very much for that. And now let's talk about the Bitcoin price. And as you can see, I don't know if you are getting tired of it, but if you are getting tired of it, I have good news for you. These patterns, these fractals here, falling wedge, breakout, falling wedge, breakout, falling wedge, they are about to end. I mean, this one is about to break. What you can see is not only that when we are coming to the apex, but also when we are hitting the primary trend on the daily. This is the 12-hour candles, but you can use the trail daily just as well. Always when we are hitting it, we are breaking out. So we hit it right here, we broke out. We hit it right here, we broke out. Every single time, 60% pump. We hit it here. Now the question is, are we going to break out? Because look at this, it's 12-hourly candles. In the next 3 12-hourly candles, in the next 36 hours, Bitcoin will break. If we are closing a 12-hourly below the primary trend, we can expect a break to the downside. However, this is a bullish pattern. The likelihood is higher to break towards the upside than towards the downside. If we are closing a 4-hourly candle above this resistance, I am predicting, and I was talking about that for quite some time now, actually a price target of $68,500, eventually even higher than the $72,000 area. Let me talk about this, because on the monthly candles you can see, actually you can't see because we are directly at support. Look at this. This is the monthly candles. We cannot go much lower. If we go lower, we are breaking the primary trend on the monthly candles as well. And that would be, dear ladies and gentlemen, an apocalyptic scenario, obviously. So on the balance of probabilities, the breakout here towards the upside is higher than towards the downside. And in December, we are also getting the bigger breakout. If this one is gonna turn out to be positive towards the upside, then in this case, we would be breaking the $70,000 level close a monthly above. And that would mean 87,000, 92,000, 122,000, probably very, very fast. I am actually personally, once we are breaking this level, it is gonna be a hard ride. Predicting sometimes $10,000 daily candles. It is gonna be crazy, guys. This is something I can tell you. And if we are going a little bit more out here on the monthly candles, then you can see we have this orange line and the white line. And this is the monthly candles. So on the orange line, I'm just connecting the bodies, and on the white line, I'm connecting the wicks. On the white line, you can see we are below resistance. On the orange line, connecting the wicks, you can see we are above resistance. We broke down and even confirmed it. This is the most crucial times we have seen for Bitcoin since ages, guys. Actually, maybe even ever. And I don't want to exaggerate, but maybe even ever, because we have never touched the trend line for the second time in a row. And we have never really come to an apex where we are forced to break an 11 years resistance. This is crucial times, guys. And I want to know from you, do you think we are going to break this resistance, this 11 years resistance, and for the first time break the structure towards the upside, actually, eventually, potentially, even going to invalidate the stock to flow model? As I think once we are uncoupling from fiat currencies, even from the US dollar, which is still the strongest currency, but it's gonna be the last man standing, we are going to invalidate all of these models in terms of that we are just going much higher than these ones are predicting, as if you are measuring in US dollar and eventually that one is gonna go towards zero as well. Of course, these price targets are gonna go be above and beyond our expectations, of course. Let me know what you think about that. That is very important. Smash up the like button, and I wanted to share something else, because we just announced here when we are going to give out the free IDO allocation for VLaunch. Make sure you never send anywhere your money. These tokens are gonna be for free. Do not get scammed, guys. The links, the legit links, are down below, and we are posting day and day here. Hundreds of investors, hundreds of other YouTubers getting involved. Your favorite YouTuber, like I know you like me, but besides that, your favorite YouTuber is most likely involved as well, and we are everything disclosing transparently here, and these tokens are gonna be for free if you join the Telegram, if you follow us on Twitter. The links are down below. And of course, talking about Twitter, I wanted to give a very important message out, because I think it's not only with my reach the responsibility to educate you about financials, about Bitcoin and so on. I wanted to give you some other values as well, and I will leave that a little bit uncommented for specific reasons. But there are some things happening right now in the world, and I'm sharing my thoughts about that. People are really loving that over on Twitter. History does not repeat, but it rhymes. And let me go a little bit higher. I was also posting this quote here from Benjamin Franklin. Just make your own interpretations. Those who would give up essential liberty to purchase a little bit of temporary safety, I would even say a little bit of imaginary temporary safety, deserve neither and will very likely end up losing both. I definitely agree on end up losing both. I still think everyone in the world deserves liberty. Everyone in the world deserves freedom. But some people are consciously choosing to go against that. Let me know what you think about that, guys. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high. And we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye-bye.